Do you wanna build your own cute duckbot? Just print the files linked below and follow the instructions. First step, get rid of the brim. I'd recommend you using compasses in gaps between the wheels. If you have all parts ready, we can start gluing. Put the glue on the top surface of the wheels and place them under the body. Then put the glue on the top of the neck. Then do the same with the bill. Now put carefully glue on the sides of the neck. Then put the glue into the hole in the first wing. Then push the axis into the hole. Place it into the duck and put the glue around the top of the axis. Then place the second wing on it and push it to the body of the duck. Let the glue dry and congratulations! You have your own duckbot.
Jak se vám líbí kachny?